Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 100-watt solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HQST 50-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar panel for off-grid on-grid large solar system. HQST is one of the biggest companies of the world that manufacture solar panels and comes in our list at number 2. This solar panel from HQST is a monocrystalline solar panel that is designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity so you and many others can enjoy the natural electricity in their houses. The company is a brand worldwide and offers its customers a standard service as well, so if you are interested in buying a solar panel, this company will give you all the services you need. As you are looking for a low-price solar panel, this product can fulfill all your demands as its price is very much affordable and provides you with all the features you want, plus the service the company will provide you that will be best for you as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Newpowa 100 watts 12 volts polycrystalline solar panel 100W 12 volts high efficiency module. Newpowa 100W polycrystalline solar panel is a very trendy brand and is at everyone's lips. The product of this brand is also famous as this product has a valuable rating on Amazon and many people love to buy this product, hence the quality of the product proves its performance rate and the love of the customers. If we compare this product to any other product or to all the other products, it will keep its level and will keep its performance that will be admired by the customers, hence the performance of the solar panel is too good and can work in any environment as well. At number 3, we have the WindyNation 100-watt solar panel off-grid RV boat kit with LCD PWM charge controller. WindyNation 100-watt solar panel gives you one of the best performances that you consider from a solar panel. Moreover, the product is very much affordable and is highly recommended because of its unique features. The battery is sharp as you can charge the panel at a 350 W per day, or it can also be dependent on the sunlight. The charge controller is also an advanced device that will show you all the things you need to know, such as current, voltage and temperature. Its charge controller performance is so nice that it can handle maximum to 4 to 8 pieces of solar panel on a single device. At number 2, we have the Goal Zero Boulder 100 Briefcase 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel. Goal Zero Boulder solar panel is the best solution for those people who are searching for the best solar panel that can save their electricity. The product is small in shape, however, it works as a great solar panel does. Moreover, the solar panel is eco-friendly, means it can save the environment and can work in a safe environment. On top of that, the solar panel is designed for a 100 W power that will light up your house. And finally, at number 1, we have the solar panel, GIARIDE 18 volts 12V 100 W high efficiency monocrystalline solar cell flexible bendable. GIARIDE solar panel comes with a bended property that will make it shorter than the actual size. The panel is highly efficient and has the monocrystalline cells in it that will improve its performance more. The product is not so heavy as it can be easily carried with the hands and will keep the panel's performance on the check. The panel is resistant to water, dust and rust as this panel is of 100 W and has an adjustable structure as well. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.